welcome to Nihira Designs.
In today's episode, I'm going to show you beautiful hand-block printed Ajrak cotton fabrics. These are pure cotton fabrics, cambric 60s, we call it as cambric 60 counts. And these are natural dye colors, so no chemical colors are used in this. And these are Ajrak printed fabrics. You can see the beautiful colors in these fabrics. So we have so many beautiful colors today in our episode, and I'll show you one by one each color. So the first color is the indigo blue, very lovely color, and many of them like this color. This is the indigo blue color with paisley prints. We call these as paisley prints. These are traditional prints. You can see in this you have three colors: white, mehendi green and white color, along with this blue color. So this is a two color printed Ajrak fabric. See, viewers, these are original hand block printed fabrics with natural dyes, and these are combo sets. Combo sets in the sense top and bottom sets, which you can use it for kurti pants, kurti plazos, or if you want to go for skirts with mix and match combination, you can do that also, and you can go for western wear collections also. And these are very soft and very comfortable to wear, and it will not harm your skin as well because these are natural colors. Okay, and this is the top and this is the bottom. Bottom also we have given all over creeper prints in mehendi green and white combination. So this will look very good for the salwar or pant, and you can go for pencil cuts also instead of pants if anyone is interested. And these are combo sets, so you have to take 2.5 meters top and 2.5 meters bottom, and if you want to take any of these two, that is also possible, but it should be only 2.5 meters cut. Price of the fabric is 200 rupees per meter, plus shipping charges will be extra if you take any of these two. But if you want to take it as a combo set, then the price will be 1000 rupees and free shipping. So you will not have to pay any shipping charges for this. And viewers, I will show you the length and width of the fabric also. Length will be 2.5 meters and width will be 44 inches. I will show you that. So you can see the width of the fabric is 44 inches. So you can go comfortably with long length kurtis and gowns as well. So this is the first color, and if you like any of our products and if you want to place the order or if you have any inquiry, then please take a screenshot of the product and please send a message on our WhatsApp number 9538703432, and we'll get back with your inquiry soon. And I'll show the next color. The next color is light wheat brown color. This is a wheat brown color, and in this is also a paisley print. It has white, then mehendi green, light mehendi green and dark brown combination. So you have three colors in this. This is the paisley print, and these are natural hand-dyed Ajrak cotton fabrics, very soft fabrics. And these are also combo sets. This is the top and this is the bottom. Top is paisley print and the bottom is a all over creeper design. So this is the color, and the cut will be 2.5 meters and 2.5 meters. As I said in the for the previous color, you can take it as a combo set or you can take individually, but it should be compulsory 2.5 meters cut. And the price details and the other details will be mentioned in the description box. So kindly go through the description box if you have any doubts. Then I am showing you the next color. The next color is this maroon color. maroon color paisley print. This is also a combo set with light yellow, light bottle green and black color printed throughout the fabric. This is also a combo set, 2.5 meters and 2.5 meters top, 2.5 meters bottom. This is the top and this is the bottom. Bottom is also all over print. It's a creeper design. So this is the set, how it looks. This is a light maroon color. Not very light, but it's not very dark also. It's a medium shade. So it will be very good. And kindly note, like these fabrics, it will suit very well for the long length skirts, and it look very good and decent and sober. So you can try long skirts also. So the next color is, this is the next color. This is a light brown shade. We call it as biscuit color. So this has the cream, again maroon and black print. Cream, maroon and black print. You can see here. This is the paisley print. This is also a combo set. This is the top and this is the bottom. It's a combo set, 2.5 meters and 2.5 meters. Together it will be 5 meters. So the price is 200 rupees per meter plus shipping. That is the meter cost, and if you are taking as a combo set, then it will be 1000 rupees free shipping. Next I will show you the next color. The next color is, there is a grey shade. You can see here, grey shade with black, copper sulphate blue and cream shade printed paisley design. It's an Ajrak natural dye printed fabrics, pure cotton fabrics, very soft and comfortable for the skin. And this is the top and this is the bottom. This is also a combo set. You can see here, very nice colors and bright colors. Like these kind of colors you can wear in any season. It will go very well, and it will look very official also. You can use it either at home, and if you want to go use it for office wear purpose also, it will look very good. So this is a combo set. And if you like any of our products, please take a screenshot of the product and please message us on our WhatsApp number 9538703432. And viewers, we ship throughout India. So the courier services, we can check the service and we can ship accordingly. And international shipping is also available. International shipping, the courier charges will be based on the zip codes. And this is the next color. This is the black color, complete dark black. So black paisley print with 3 colors. In this you have cream, copper sulphate blue, and in between you have light mehendi green also. So this is a 3 color print. It's a combo set, top and bottom set. This is the top and this is the bottom. The bottom is all over print. So this is a combo set, 2.5 meters and 2.5 meters. So together it will be 5 meters cut. This is a very nice black color. And you can use this fabric as overcoats also, like for jackets, overcoats, for kids wear also, it will look very good. All these Ajrak fabrics. So the next color is black color. This is also dark black with green, yellow and maroon paisley print throughout the fabric. This is very bright. The print is also very bright. This is also a combo set. This is the top and this is the bottom. So you can see here, this is the combo set. So the prints are very good and the colors are also very good colors and very bright colors also. So you can book immediately. because Azrak there is heavy demand in the market and we have very high demand for Azrak fabrics. So if you like any of our products, then book immediately. Please take a screenshot of the fabric or the product and send a WhatsApp message on our number 953870 And the last color in today's episode is light milky white color or the cream color. On this you have the paisley print. This is also a 3-color print with copper sulphate blue, black and light mehendi green color. This is also a combo set, top and bottom set. 2.5 meters top and 2.5 meters bottom. Please note, we cannot give any odd cuts in these fabrics. So you have to take 2.5 meters cut only, or we can give you 5 meters cut. But odd cuts are not possible in this. It should be multiples of 2.5 meters. So this is the set. This is how it looks. Very beautiful color. So that's all, friends, for today's episode. So I'm just telling you again the price of the fabric. Fabric price is 200 rupees per meter plus shipping if you take individually, and if you want to take it as a combo set, then it will be 1000 rupees free shipping throughout India. International shipping, the courier charges are applicable based on the zip codes and the service available over that location. Hope you liked our collections today. If you like our collections, please like, share and subscribe our channel and hit bell icon to get our latest updates. Thank you.